Technology is the way of the future. It plays a huge part in today's social and cultural society. Technology is a new way of learning both inside and outside of the classroom. Learning in the classroom has gone from pen to paper and chalkboards to using iPads, laptops, and interactive whiteboards to learn. Children are able to gain access to written work at all times. They're able to share their notes and ideas with their peers and conduct library research and publish their work more effectively. Today, the Department of Education has new policies and procedures that involve the use of technology within the classroom. Some of these policies include BYOD, the Bring Your Own Device, which allows children to bring their own devices from outside into the classroom, gaining more resources. Digital Citizenship, which is an online course that the department runs for children in order to show them how they are to conduct themselves while using technology and on social media. And STEM. Today, technology within the classroom comes with both its benefits and its challenges. The benefits of having technology in the classroom allows children to gain different developmental skills. They are able to increase their problem-solving and discovery skills. They gain skills in digital literacies, improve their social skills and dynamic spatial skills. They gain confidence and motivation, and they also gain critical thinking skills. These skills can be gained through technology through the use of group projects or individual projects. These projects allow children to become socially interactive with other peers, and they are also able to use the World Wide Web to find resources. According to the Health Research Fund, technology is a great tool to encourage children to discover different developments. They gain better gross motor skills, improved cognitive functions. Technology is the way of the future, and it prepares children for their future in workplaces, schools, and society. It's also a really fun way of learning. However, technology comes with its disadvantages. Technology can cause a decrease in gross motor skills due to its accessibility and entertainment without children having to actually physically move. This can then lead to health problems such as obesity. A child's privacy and safety is at risk the moment they pick up any form of technology. We hear daily on the news of strangers taking advantage of children online, stripping away that child's innocence. Online bullying is increasing daily. The amount of children who are committing suicide due to the negative and nasty comments that they receive through social media is appalling. Children are losing their face-to-face social bonds. They think that it's okay to bully someone online. They think that they don't have to any longer talk to anyone face-to-face. They think that they can just talk to them from behind a screen. They lose their sense of reality. Technology can also cause developmental disabilities, and it is an extreme cost. Technology in schools can cause a distraction. Children will tend to want to play games or search the web or check their social media status instead of doing what they're actually supposed to do. Again, it increases their fine motor skills and it takes children away from using pen and paper. Schools are not funded enough in order to keep up with the upkeep of the technology. They are unable to accommodate the demand. Older teachers are too scared to try new technologies. They are afraid that they might do something wrong or that they might break it due to lack of training in this area. Leigh Vygotsky's social cultural theory, as stated in Literacy and Technology in the Early Years of Education, gives us an understanding of how educators influence a child's use of technology. The social cultural approach recognises the role that the adults have in mediating a child's language through scaffolding, acknowledging the role that the educator plays in mediating a child's success and experiences with technology. However, as stated by Sonia Livingstone in the Critical Reflections of the Benefits of ICT in Education, many teachers struggle to teach technology in their classrooms due to the lack of time and training that is given to them. Technology is known as a self-paced skill, which is one of the benefits. However, the time needed to learn the skill is limited. In many schools, you have more than one class per year group. Some schools can have up to 3 to 4 classes per year group. Let's say you have 2 teachers who are just straight out of uni, up with the technology of today. Then you have 2 older teachers who have not grown up with the technology around them. They need to train themselves. Here you're going to have a clear disadvantage on the children with the older teachers, as the older teachers are going to lack the training and the help that they need in order to teach the students. You're going to have a difference in the students' learning, as some students are going to be higher in their technology skills while some will be lower, due to just the teaching that they have through their teachers. As stated earlier, the DOE has many policies and procedures in place in order to allow a safe use of technology in the classroom. BYOD, Bring Your Own Device, is a policy that is signed by the student and their parent permitting a safe and effective use of technology. BYOD also allows the school to encourage students to bring their own devices into the classroom, therefore benefiting their learning due to extra resources. Digital Citizenship is a quick online course for children to participate in order to show an acceptable use of technology. It encourages students to be safe online and to treat each other and each device with respect. The EYLF, the Early Years Learning Framework, is a set of outcomes that are achieved by the child with the influence of activities that have been created through their educator. This is a great framework for educators to follow. They are able to teach technology to students in order to gain different outcomes. Yes, the Department of Education have provided policies and procedures in order to keep up with the fast-paced moving technology world. However, what other alternative educational possibilities can we provide in order to make sure that each child has the exact same learning opportunities? First off, I feel that it is of vital importance for all teachers to have access to the exact same training. No teacher should be disadvantaged due to the lack of knowledge, their age, and their lack of understanding of technology. This way, there will be no students who are left behind due to their lack of teacher knowledge. Schools need to take appropriate actions for those students who think they can use technology in a negative way. Students who use technology in order to bully or to hurt someone else's feelings, or they use it in any kind of negative way, should be dealt with accordingly. With these enforcements, schools will be fair, there'll be a safer place, students will feel safer, there'll be a place of equal opportunity, and they'll be able to strive for the best education for all young children. Finally, technology is the future and is here to stay. It is a transforming democracy, and educators need to be prepared in order to have the correct resources and knowledge that is needed in order to teach children how to use technology effectively. Teachers need to be provided with the adequate training in order to keep up with the fast updating technology world in order to give children the best education that can be. The DOE needs to provide students with training on the importance of how cyberbullying can be life-threatening and the consequences of it. Because I say enough is enough.